Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of March 12, 2021. Here are some upcoming events. Spring break is from Saturday, March 13th until Tuesday, March 23rd. Monday, March 22nd is a teacher workday. No school for students. After spring break, if you'd like to pick up grab-and-go food for your family, it'll only be distributed on Thursdays from now on, 7:45 till 9:45. The SAT test for juniors and seniors will be on March 24th, 2021, and it is on campus only. In April, the secondary school has FSA writing. April 6th is 6th grade. April 7th is 7th grade. April 8th is 8th grade. April 13th is 9th grade. April 14th is 10th grade. Makeups will be scheduled as needed. Here's Mrs. Smith, formerly known as Miss Roop, with the elementary testing information.
Hi, PBMA families. It's Mrs. Smith. I want to thank everyone so much for all the congratulations and love. It was so nice to celebrate with my PBMA family. It could not have been a better day. I also have a few announcements that I want to share with you in regards to the second trimester ending and FSA testing. Our second trimester will be over on Friday. Teachers will be completing report cards on the 22nd, which is a teacher workday. Report cards will go home on Friday, March 26th. If your students are physically in the building, they'll bring it home in their backpacks. Virtual students, it will be mailed to you. We do have our FSA schedule ready, so please take note of these very important dates. April the 6th and the 7th will be third grade reading for distance learners only. April 8th will be the writing FSA for 4th and 5th grade distance learners only. April 13th through 14th will be third grade reading for students physically attending in the building. April 15th will be for 4th and 5th grade writing, also only for students attending school in the building. That will take care of third grade reading and 4th and 5th writing. After that, we will do makeup testing until the window closes at the end of April. The next window is for 3rd through 5th math, 4th and 5th reading, and 5th grade science. Please take note of these important dates. May 4th and 5th will be for 4th and 5th grade reading, distance learners only. May 5th and 6th will be 3rd through 5th math, distance learners only. May 10th and 11th, 4th and 5th reading, students physically in the building. May 12th and 13th, 3rd through 5th grade math, students physically in the building only. And May 17th through 18th will be 5th grade science for our distance learners only. And May 19th and 20th, 5th grade science for students physically in the building. That window closes at the end of May, so makeups will continue until then. Our goal is to have 100% participation. Please remember this test must be taken physically in the building. There is no remote option, and it is extremely important that your child does attend. We will be sending out notices through Jupiter Ed and making phone calls to students in distance learning, so you are well aware of the time to arrive at school and all the protocols we have in place. I also want to wish everybody a happy spring break. I hope everybody enjoys the times off, relaxes, and returns safely. Thank you.
All testing dates are on the PBMA calendar on our website. Here's Ms. Fisher with more of her favorite Basharat Gallery photos.
Hey guys, I have a couple of second graders here to share their favorite Steve McCurry photographs. Here we have Miss Gaia.
Hi.
Gaia, this is her favorite. So Gaia, tell everybody why this is your favorite.
Because the water looks like the grass.
The water looks like grass. And what else do you like about it, Gaia?
The wood over there.
You like the way the buildings look?
Yeah.
Excellent job. This is in Indonesia. Have you ever been there?
No.
No, not yet.
Not yet.
All right, so this is Gaia's favorite, and we're going to keep them coming. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.
Hey guys, Miss Fisher here. I have Riley here from second grade. We're still walking around and checking out our favorite Steve McCurry photographs. This is Riley's favorite. Riley, why don't you tell everybody why this is your favorite?
I like how they're listening to his heartbeat.
Awesome. It's a cute little baby, right? And look, you can see how big the baby is kind of by having the little measuring tape next to it. So this is your favorite out of all of them? You love walking by this baby?
Yeah.
Excellent. All right.
Also the puppy one.
And she loves the puppy one over there too. We have a lot of favorites, so we're going to keep them coming. Have a great day.
Here is the secondary Sharks of the Week. Wishing everyone a very happy, healthy, and safe spring break. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.